2 weeks from today, New York Attorney General Tish James will appear in a Virginia courtroom. James was indicted yesterday in a mortgage fraud case the president urged the Justice Department to bring. Alice Gaynor covered the civil fraud trial and has more.
Hands off Tish James!
Hands off Tish James!
A small rally Friday outside New York State Attorney General Letitia James' office, one day after she was indicted by a federal grand jury in Virginia on 2 counts, bank fraud and for making false statements to a financial institution related to this Norfolk, Virginia property she purchased in 2020. It's alleged James falsely represented the property as a secondary residence to obtain favorable mortgage terms while using it as an investment property, allegedly saving herself more than $18,000 over the life of the loan. James and her attorney called the claims baseless and said President Trump was out for revenge.
His only goal is political retribution at any cost.
In 2022, James civilly sued Trump and the Trump Organization successfully for fraudulently inflating assets by hundreds of millions of dollars in order to get better loans and other terms. An appeals court overturned the penalty, which had grown to $500 million, but left the judge's decision in place. Last month, Trump urged U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi to charge James, writing, "Justice must be served now." Former White House aide Lindsey Halligan replaced the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, who did not move forward with the case. She said, in part, no one is above the law.
There's no way you can say this is a normal prosecution.
Richard Schoenstein is a trial attorney not associated with the case. He says there will be a fight to get this to trial and anticipates motions to dismiss being filed.
At trial, it would be hard to prove that her representation was false when it was made. For example, let's say she bought the house thinking she was going to use it as a second home, but her circumstances changed. She ended up letting family members stay there or even rented it. Is that fraud? I don't think that's fraud. I don't think a jury would find that to be fraud. So there's going to be a hard time establishing that she was really deceitful.
James will be in court October 24th. Alice Gaynor, CBS News, New York.